We've been going around and talking to everyone about their new stuff, so we better stop off and see PlusFloors. But it looks nice, this, doesn't it?
Diamond panel.
Yeah.
Only single panel on the market.
That is
right?
very,
very cool.
It's very nice, isn't it? Look at that.
Yeah.
Let's have a look.
Available in 4 popular colourways. 4 popular colours. So you pick the colours from the Vero range.
Yeah. Right.
So you've got, they're all on
Lovely matte finish.
Yeah. So this is one colour which is on the floor, I think. Milan. Then you've got Umbria, which is a new colour. So we brought this dark colour in answer to our customers.
Yeah, it's
Which
nice.
also comes in a plank and a herringbone. That dark colour. Really nice.
Very nice.
Yeah, really nice.
So yeah, you've got 4 diamonds. Comes in
And you've got herringbones here, look.
herringbones.
Yeah. Those diamonds are nice, aren't they?
Yeah, it's another colour there.
So it's one panel.
Yeah, it's cool, isn't it? It looks.
Yeah, it does look like, it looks like it's in sections though, doesn't it?
Doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks like it's actually in sections. That'll save a lot of time.
But the beauty of that being a panel, you try and install that compared to individual pieces.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're here for you guys.
That's
Yeah,
it.
you are,
Yes,
yeah.
Your back's covered.
Yes.
We'll put you on, we'll put you with a nice link on. But yeah, they look great,
Yeah.
don't they?
They are very,
So
very
you've
nice.
seen the Versailles, which
Yes.
is that.
They're very nice. Their Desire panels are lovely. They are.
That's lovely, yeah. This floor here is great. It's a great colour, isn't it?
It's
Yeah.
the same.
And it's like a nice matte finish. It
Yeah.
doesn't look shiny.
Yeah.
Yeah, we like your stuff at
You
PlusFloors.
just-
Lovely guys. See you later.
Cheers.
Thanks for your business.
You're welcome.
See you later.
All the best, mate.
Appreciate it.